When it comes to home improvement, few upgrades have as much impact as replacing outdated or inefficient windows. Homeowners in Melville understand that quality craftsmanship, durable materials, and reliable service are essential for lasting results. That's why so many turn to Melville Window Replacement, a trusted local company known for its commitment to excellence, customer satisfaction, and long-term value. Proven expertise and professionalism. One of the main reasons homeowners trust Melville Window Replacement is the company's reputation for expertise. Every technician is trained in advanced installation techniques, ensuring windows are fitted precisely to prevent air leaks, water damage, and energy loss. From the initial consultation to final inspection, their process is guided by years of experience and a deep understanding of what homes in Melville need to withstand the local climate. Homeowners often comment on the team's professionalism and attention to detail. The installers arrive on time, keep work areas clean, and treat every home with respect. This level of service builds trust and confidence, knowing that each project is handled with care and integrity. High-quality materials for long-term performance. Melville Window Replacement is committed to using only premium materials designed for durability and efficiency. Whether customers choose vinyl, fiberglass, or wood-clad frames, every window is built to resist warping, cracking, and fading over time. The glass options, such as double or triple pane with low-E coatings, offer superior insulation, keeping homes comfortable year-round while lowering energy bills. Homeowners appreciate that these products are backed by strong manufacturer warranties. Combined with the company's own installation guarantee, it ensures long-lasting protection and peace of mind. The result is not just a better-looking home, but one that performs efficiently and maintains its value over the years. Energy efficiency that saves money. Energy efficiency is more than a trend, it's a priority for modern homeowners. Melville Window Replacement helps customers choose windows that reduce energy waste, minimize heating and cooling costs, and contribute to a greener environment. Their energy-efficient options meet or exceed Energy Star standards, helping homeowners enjoy long-term savings while enhancing indoor comfort. By investing in advanced insulation technology and precision installation, Melville Window Replacement ensures every window contributes to the home's overall efficiency. Over time, these savings often offset the cost of installation, making window replacement not only a practical decision but a financially smart one. Personalized service and transparent communication. Another reason Melville homeowners rely on this company is its dedication to clear, honest communication. From the first consultation, customers receive straightforward advice tailored to their needs, budget, and style preferences. The team provides transparent pricing, no hidden fees or surprise add-ons, so homeowners can make informed decisions with confidence. Melville Window Replacement also takes the time to educate clients on window types, materials, and maintenance requirements. This consultative approach ensures each homeowner chooses solutions that align with their goals, whether they want to enhance curb appeal, boost property value, or improve energy efficiency. A reputation built on trust and satisfaction. The company's long-standing success is rooted in positive customer experiences. Satisfied homeowners consistently praise Melville Window Replacement for delivering on its promises: high-quality products, exceptional workmanship, and dependable support. Many customers return for additional projects or refer friends and neighbors, a testament to the company's strong reputation. Online reviews and local testimonials frequently highlight how stress-free the process is. From prompt scheduling to meticulous finishing touches, the company's approach prioritizes customer satisfaction above all else. This reliability has made Melville Window Replacement a household name synonymous with quality and trust. Conclusion: for homeowners seeking lasting value, comfort, and style, Melville Window Replacement stands out as the clear choice. With expert installation, superior materials, energy-efficient solutions, and customer-centered service, the company consistently delivers results that endure for decades. Choosing Melville means choosing peace of mind, because when it comes to your home, only the best will do.